If you're looking for the best sea salt sprays, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Not Your Mother's Beach Babe Sea Salt Spray. This sea salt spray is lightweight. It doesn't leave hair feeling heavy or too greasy. Plus, it can be used on all different hair types, from thin, straight hair to thicker, curly hair. It is available in 2 different intensities, soft waves and a stronger texturizing spray, and makes a great choice for anyone new to using sea salt spray. Not Your Mother's spray is not as moisturizing as its competitors. There are no added ingredients in the formula that help to fortify or strengthen hair. If you would prefer a product that provides better hydration, skip down to Beauty by Earth Sea Salt Spray. The smell is light, but not too faint. We recommend checking out Sunbum Sea Spray if you're a fan of great-smelling products, but those who like a less powerful scent might prefer the Not Your Mother's product. Moving on to the next, at number 2 with Beauty by Earth Sea Salt Spray. Beauty by Earth Sea Salt Spray is a premium product blended with organic ingredients. Each ingredient is selected to help you support hair and add hydration to your locks. Vitamin E extract is included to boost overall shine, while shea butter and aloe vera work to hydrate hair. It is a great choice if you want a sea salt spray that isn't too drying. This is a natural product, and there are no parabens, synthetic fragrances, or dyes added into the formula. It is also vegan and cruelty-free, making it a good option for anyone who values ethically created products. The number 3 position is held by Frieda Beach Blonde Sea Waves. This product is very easy to use. The spray nozzle on the bottle allows the sea salt spray to come out like a mist, effectively covering your hair. You will not need to brush the spray through your hair in order to distribute it, which is a plus if you're looking to save time on your hair routine. Frieda's Beach Blonde Sea Wave Spray is affordable, especially for professional cosmetics brand product and part of a sea salt-inspired product line. The spray gives your hair a light natural wave, providing definition without too much hold. It is great for creating a casual wavy look. Next at number 4 we have Elange Hair Sea Salt Spray. Elange's Hair Sea Salt Spray is expertly designed to leave your hair feeling soft after use. It draws on ingredients like seaweed and sea kelp to hydrate hair and eliminate that crunchy texture many sea salt sprays leave behind. You can apply it to wet or dry hair, making it especially versatile. This product provides extreme volume, especially if you blow dry your hair after applying. It can help elevate dull-looking hair, adding a wavy texture and enhancing any natural curls. It is a great option for someone looking to add extra life to their thin hair. The number 5 position is held by Sunbum Sea Spray. Designed to stop UV damage from affecting hair, Sunbum Sea Spray is fortified with kelp, seaweed, and Hawaiian black lava sea salt. It effectively coats the hair and protects it from becoming brittle and dull, making it a great choice for someone who spends a lot of time in the sun. The formula works to reduce frizz in all hair types, but it's especially good with taming long hair and forming it into long, beach-ready waves. It has a strong coconut banana scent that is refreshing without being too overpowering. If you like scented products, this is a good option for you. The number 6 position is dominated by Joko Beach Chic Texturizing Finisher. The quick-drying formula in Joko's Beach Chic Texturizing Finisher is perfect for use on fine hair. It gives hair a boost of volume and texture without being too heavy. It is a good choice for anyone who wants a texturizing product that doesn't drag hair down or make it stiff. This product is great for spot touch-ups. It can be used to enhance volume at the roots or create wavy ends, all the while adding shine to hair. Whether you use it to enhance certain areas of your hair or apply it to your whole head, this spray will give your hair a natural, smooth wave. Joko Beach Chic can tangle your hair. It is hard to remove by the end of the day and might damage your hair if you try to brush it out. The best solution for removing this hair product is to take a shower and rinse it out, combing your hair in the shower. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Moroccan Sea Salt Spray. One of the star ingredients in this product, argan oil, is the key to helping hair stay smooth and defined. It works with the sea salt extract in the formula to create larger, loose beach waves. No matter your hair type, this product will be able to give you a textured look. If you have naturally curlier or thicker hair, this spray is a good option. The extra definition will help enhance your curls and hold them in place for a flawless natural look. There are also no parabens or sulfates in this product, which means it is less drying to your hair. The number 8 position is held by KiXy Salt Spray. This long-lasting formula works instantly when applied. It can be used on both wet and dry hair and immediately adds a textured wave appearance. Your style will hold up all day no matter what, without wilting or becoming dull. It is a great choice if you want a product that keeps up with your busy lifestyle. KiXy Salt Spray is both chemical and alcohol-free. That means it leaves hair feeling softer on contact and doesn't dry out strands. Plus, if you're not sure about the product, you can try it risk-free thanks to the company's money-back guarantee. They will refund you completely if you dislike the product for any reason. If you have naturally curly or very wavy hair, this may not be a good styling product for you. It tends to clump up natural curls and waves, making them appear dull and chunky. Make sure to use this product sparingly on natural curls to avoid this issue. Next at number 9 we have Brickell Men's Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. If you are trying to obtain a natural surfer look, this product is a great choice. It is designed specifically for men's hair and is great for texturizing short hair, adding volume and a matte finish. It can also be used on shoulder-length hair for an effortless light wave. A little goes a long way, so the bottle can last you a long time. The formula in Brickell Men's is combined with extra hair-healthy ingredients such as vitamin E, hydrolyzed proteins, and green tea extract. These additions help to hydrate and strengthen the hair, promoting softness and elasticity. It is a great choice if you have drier hair but still want to use a sea salt spray. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Davines. This is a sea salt spray. A professional cosmetics line founded in Italy, Davines strives to create sustainable, ethically sourced products. This is a sea salt spray is created by these same standards and is formed using eco-friendly practices. It makes a good choice if you're especially concerned about sustainability in cosmetics. The formula of this product gives hair a natural matte finish. There is no added shine or gloss to make your hair seem like it has product in it. It gives your lock subtle volume, creating a casual full-bodied look that is not too dramatic. It is the perfect choice for someone who wants a simple wavy texture without too much fuss. As this product dries, it does tend to leave flakes in your hair. These can look similar to dandruff flakes. It also might cause an itchy scalp if you have sensitive skin or a drier scalp. If you are looking for a more hair health-friendly hydrating product, we recommend Brickell Men's Texturizing Sea Salt Spray. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.